Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Although we do not experience a lot of white screen while using Snapchat, it can sometimes bother us, or we can get bored and look for a difference. Now I will show you how to use dark mode on Snapchat. Let's begin. And we open up Snapchat app. We press our Bitmoji located in the upper left part of the screen. Click on the gear icon in the upper right. Scroll down and click on App Appearance. When we click Always Dark, Snapchat now reverts to dark mode. New color, new experience. I hope it helps you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video.